Hi there, and welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I changed my broken iPhone 4S LCD. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Do at your own risk. Any damage to your device is your responsibility. Enjoy! Buying online for parts is something that most people are nervous about. But as long as you know how and where to look, you are good to go. You may order your screen from most online shopping platforms, depending on what's available in your country and where you are comfortable getting it. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, so if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. To make sure you get the right LCD for your iPhone 4S, you need only to check the inscription at the back of your phone. You should be able to see a 5-digit code with the letter A followed by 4 numbers. In my case, it is A1431. That is the ID you will search for when you're trying to purchase parts online. As for the tools needed in this procedure, I recommend using a pair of tweezers and these screwdrivers. Now that you have the LCD and the tools needed, let's start. The first tool that you will need is the 0.8 star tip screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the device. Later, when you have opened up the device, you will realize that there are different screw types and sizes, so make sure to remember which screw is for certain screw hole. To remove the battery, simply unscrew the metal cover for the flex. Then pull the plastic that holds the battery in place. After the battery is removed, you may now start removing the metal covering for the screen flex sockets. Each screw is different in size, so make sure to remember their slots. Now pry all the flex below the metal cover. Be very careful to remember the arrangement of the flex. You may also take a photo of the device before prying them. After removing all the flex, remove all the small parts and screws. Remember, your goal is to take the board off the frame. There are tiny components at the top of the board. Make sure to remember where they're located so that they'll be easy to return later. I have already done it here, but I was not able to take the video. Remove the screws on the side to separate the frame to the screen. Please see the circles. Remove all the screws in each encircled areas of the device and it will easily be taken off. And now that you've successfully removed the LCD from the frame, make sure to transfer all the parts of the old LCD to the new LCD and then do the same process in reverse. Now you can reassemble your iPhone 4. Just remember to put all the screws in their proper places. Thank you. So see you in the next one.